Hello family, welcome back to a new video. So this is a tutorial video on the shading techniques. So there are like 1,000 shading techniques available. Okay, that's a lie. Like there are some techniques available, but I will be showing you some 5 techniques that most people use for their shading. So these techniques can be used by beginners. So I'll be sharing this box and with the technique, and also I will be shading an eye with the same technique to show you how it looks. So also I'll be giving a bonus tip at the end, so watch the video till the end. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So coming on to the first technique of shading is hatching. So hatching is basically what we have to do is that we have to make lines straight to one another. We have to make many lines which are all in the same direction. So we have to make the lines in the same direction continuously. So that is called hatching. So you can see that I am making single lines in the same direction. So we have to do this throughout the area. So you can see that now we have completed hatching the whole of the box. So wherever you want dark, you have to do it just by using lines. So now we will do the eye using this hatching technique. So slowly just make dark lines wherever you want, or light if you want, by applying pressure. Technique is cross hatching. So in cross hatching is similar to hatching, with just one difference is that we have to draw lines in multiple directions. We draw the line in hatching, we have to do it in one direction. In cross hatching, we have to do it in multiple directions. So first we will make lines in one direction. And now we will make in other direction. So this is complete. So it is like cross structure. That's why it's called cross hatching. So now we will do the eye using the cross hatching technique. So coming on to the third technique is smudging. So smudging is basically what we can also call as smoothing. So we have to shade using hatching or cross hatching, and then we have to smudge using a blending stump. So this is a blending stump. So we have to smudge using it. Smudge means we have to spread the graphite. So you can use a blending stump or brush or cotton bud. So this gives realistic effect to the drawing. So first we have to shade the region. So now take the cotton bud and smudge. So you can see that it has the smooth effect to the shading. So now we will draw the eye using the smudging technique. So you can see that it is having a real effect and gives a soft texture. So coming on to the fourth technique is dot shading. So the technique is in the name. So we have to use only dots to shade the whole region. So it takes a lot of time. So only we have to make using dots. So wherever there is a dark dot, we have to make it darker using pressure. So now we will shade the eye using the dot technique. So you can see that we have completed the eye using the dots only. So moving on to the next technique is the circular shading or oval shading technique. We can call it either way. So it's in the name. We have to use small circular motions to shade the whole region. So let's shade it. Just slowly shade using circular motions. So now we'll shade the eye using that circular shading technique. So bonus tip. So the bonus tip is that we have to not shade using the back and forth motion. So when you are shading, you have to not make it like back and forth. So you have to not use it often because it will give inconsistent shading. So here you can see in the middle it's a little darker, and then on the edges it is light. So that is the reason why we are to avoid this back and forth motion while shading, and you have to not shade fastly also. So keep in mind that what we have to do is we can use these 5 techniques to shade, and we have to shade pretty slowly. So you can see that we have to shade use very slowly. So you can see the difference between the two. so it's consistent and it's even throughout. So now if you want to dark it, you are giving another layer on it. You have to give, just slowly shade it, so that will give the consistency in the shading. You can see that this one is pretty smooth compared to that one. So now we'll use a blending stump and blend both of them and see that how the shade is after blending. So you can see that it is still inconsistent at the between, it's little darker than what expected. And now we will shade this one. So you can see that it's giving a pretty smooth effect and it is consistent throughout the shade. See the difference, you can see the difference, it's looking pretty good. So always try to shade, use and also have a sharp tip for shading, that will give an edge over it. Don't shade like this and shade like this. So I hope you all understood the video. So these are some basic techniques that beginners can use for shading. So I hope you like the video, and if you like the video, give it a like, and if you are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button below, don't forget to do that, and give your support. So thank you for watching the video. Until next time, see you later, bye bye.